I'm here to show you how to make a bed professionally, like in hotels and Airbnbs. Got a queen size bed for this Airbnb and a big pile of clean linens. Let's go. First step, fitted sheet. Fitted sheet done, nice and tight. Next is gonna be the flat sheet. What's up, little dude? Hanging out by my hot tub? Okay, I got the flat sheet out right now. I'm noticing a little bit of lint, so I have this microfiber brush. You have to be careful to go the direction of the arrow to ensure you pull the fibers off. So it's really effective because if you look at that, it just completely pulls the stuff up. So this helps make a challenging job easy. Here's an example. Look at all the lint and hair, probably pet hair in this case, but if I just go like this for a second here, so I'm gonna do this across the rest of the bed and then I'm gonna tuck it. Okay, I have the fitted sheet tucked tight. Got the lint brush, cleaned it all off as well. Next is gonna be the duvet and duvet cover. Duvet covers are really challenging if you don't know the trick. Your next step is you're gonna lay out your duvet across the bed and then fold the duvet cover inside out and lay that on top of it. Notice on a duvet, you're gonna have these little loops on the bottom. These are gonna tie directly into the strings that are on the opposite side of the hole on the duvet cover. So tie those together as your next step. All right, I have my sides and middle tied. Next, I'm going to unfold this and stuff the bottom of the duvet cover into it. So here's an example. Okay, so you're gonna reach into the duvet cover and go all the way down into the corner, grab that corner, and you're gonna pull all the way through. So what you're doing is you're pulling the duvet into the duvet cover as you unfold it. Same thing with this corner over here. Grab it and pull it through. So now the bottom part has the duvet in it. Best thing to do is just kind of give it a good shake a few times, and that'll help get you situated. You may need to go on the other side and continue to pull it through. The duvet cover is now tied in these 3 points as well. This helps prevent the duvet from sliding around and bunching up. I'm gonna zip it, I'm gonna flip it, and then I'm gonna tuck it in real tight. Here's the final product. Got the duvet tucked in real nice and tight. We got the top, we did a turn down, and then we have our pillows nice and neat. It's just important in order to get a professional look to just pull it as tight as you can, tuck it in tight on the edges, and you know, just make sure you have attention to detail and you're looking for lint and hairs, because those are the type of things that really negatively impact the guest stay.